Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you're rocking Linux Mint. Maybe you love the stability, the speed, and of course that clean cinnamon desktop. But maybe, just maybe, you've been eyeing GNOME's sleek workflow and those smooth gesture-driven animations. Well, today I'm going to show you how to install GNOME on Linux Mint 22.2 step by step. It's actually super simple. Let's dive in. All right. Before we start installing anything, let's make sure you're running the correct version of Mint. You'll want to be on Linux Mint 22 or later. You can quickly check that by running this command in your terminal. First up, let's update your system. Always do this before a major install. This ensures all your packages are up to date so you don't run into any weird dependency issues later. Mine is already up to date. Now, this is where you have two choices depending on what kind of setup you prefer. If you want a cleaner, lightweight experience without all the extra Ubuntu apps, just install the core GNOME components using this command. This gives you just the essentials: gnome-shell, the session manager, terminal, and the Nautilus file manager. Perfect if you want to customize your setup from scratch. But if you want the full GNOME experience, complete with Ubuntu's standard apps, utilities, and that full out-of-the-box polish, go for this one. Just keep in mind, this one's a bit heavier. It's about 1.2 gigabytes to download, but it'll install everything: Firefox, Snap, LibreOffice, and a bunch of GNOME utilities. During installation, you'll get a prompt asking you to choose between GDM3 and LightDM, and this part is important. Here's the quick rundown. GDM3 is GNOME's native display manager. It plays better with Wayland and gives you that smooth, authentic GNOME login screen. LightDM is Linux Mint's default. It works great with Cinnamon, but isn't as integrated with GNOME. So I recommend picking GDM3 for the full GNOME vibe. And don't worry, if you ever change your mind, you can switch back anytime. Command is in the description. Once installation finishes, which should take around 10 to 15 minutes depending on your internet speed, go ahead and reboot your system. When you get to the login screen, you'll notice it looks different if you chose GDM3. Here's the cool part. Before typing your password, look for a little gear icon in the bottom right corner. Click that and select Ubuntu. Now log in, and boom, welcome to GNOME on Linux Mint 22. Let us change the background. It looks like Ubuntu. So that's it. You've successfully installed GNOME on Linux Mint 22.2. Whether you're exploring a new workflow or just want to see what all the hype is about, GNOME is a fantastic way to refresh your Linux experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you're Team Cinnamon or Team Gnome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.